Hello, my angels, my dears. This is Angel, and today's party food is a dessert. My Blackberry Swirl Cheesecake Bites. We know that for Christmas we like to have sweet things, but especially for New Year's parties, we love to have desserts and a lot of sweet things. So I decided to make a cheesecake dessert for you to serve at your next party. Alright, I hope you enjoy.
The city is covered in snow tonight. Where did my love go? Santa, I'm waiting for him, but he's nowhere inside. And all of the presents are still by the tree. They don't mean a thing till he's here with me. If you know where he is, please give him a ride, and I will wait here by the candlelight, 'cause his love is all I need, and my love I can guarantee.
For the blackberry sauce, please use whatever brand of blackberry preserves that you would like to use, and use as many tablespoons of it as you would like it to be sweet. Remember, you're serving yourself and your guests, so do what you would like to do. Alright, now back to the video.
Hey, Santa, sleigh bells ringing and my friends by my side, but it's not the same. Santa, I'm smiling but feeling empty inside, 'cause all of the presents are still by the tree. They don't mean a thing till he's here with me. If you know where he is, please give him a ride, and I will wait here by the candlelight, 'cause his love is all I need, and my love I can guarantee. So please, Santa, bring back my love tonight. Oh, 'cause his love is all I need, and my love I can guarantee. So please, Santa, bring back my love tonight.
You'll need to strain that blackberry sauce in order to get out all the extra seeds. Use a fine mesh strainer to do this. Okay, back to the video.
It's white outside, and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas. It's a magic time. You can feel it in the air, that every child got their hearts filled up with joy. Yes, it's Christmas all around. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas.
My crust recipe didn't have lemon zest in the crust. That was a mistake on my part. I just grabbed it. It was meant for the filling, but it turned out good. If you want to embellish like I did here, please be free to do so. Feel free to do so. And experiment like I did with the white pepper. Okay, back to the video.
Have a Christmas with so much love, and with joy and laughter, let us make memories.
My recipe initially called for 1 egg, but because I used so much of the graham cracker crust, it wasn't enough. I noticed at the end when the product was finished baking, some of the cheesecake crust was coming apart on one side of the cake, and the other side of the cake on the other side of the pan, it was firm. So I would suggest that you use 2 eggs and make sure the egg is thoroughly mixed throughout the crust. Alright? Okay, back to the video.
Snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you.
It was the night before Christmas.
You should stir in the lemon zest right before you're going to pour it in the pan. I think I deleted that footage, but yes, stir it in and then taste. Alright, back to the video.
On the door, jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow I knew, and maybe so did you, that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on. somehow we knew that we'd found something true, and that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on, from this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas on. From this Christmas on. From this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas on, from this Christmas on.
Thank you so much for staying to the very end, my angels, my dears. If this is your first time visiting and you like what you see, give me a like. Why don't you consider subscribing? Share this video if you want to. And comment down below, let me know what you think of it. Now this is something that I forgot to mention and I meant to mention on my other videos, but I want to give a shout out to some other YouTubers. There's 4 of them that are my favorites, and each time I watch them, they inspire me. Okay, so those 4 YouTube channels that inspire me the most are first, God First. That one feeds my soul. And this brother, when he gets on and he speaks the truth, and he's reading directly from scripture. The second one is Level Up with Janet E. She feeds my spirit. The third channel that inspires me is called Decorating Made Easy with Trina. I love the way she styles her house and her decor. It's like she went to decorating school or something. I love the way she does her trees for Christmas as well, and her style is so similar to mine. It's modern with classic elements and sophistication. The fourth channel that inspires me is At Home with Tea. Now T does cleaning like nobody's business, and her decor is wonderful. She's a genuine spirit. So I'll leave the link down below for all 4 channels, and I hope you watch. And as always in parting, many blessings and much favor until we meet again.